Ni? Si? Get. Okay, ganun lang po. Huwag niyo pong sirain yung box ako. Grabe. Okay, balik niyo po. Practice lang po natin yan. Okay, okay. Shoulder. Medyo tumaas lang po yung boses natin. Okay. Knee. Shoulder. Yari. Okay, get. Ayun, sino po mga nakakuha ka ng paraya? Asa. 2, 3.
Sabay ganun. Okay. So on behalf of your family from BES2, my co-teachers, our parents from Wisdom, and of course your classmates, so we're giving thanks. Thank you po, Mommy, no, for inviting us. So you're already entering the what we call the pre-teenage age, no, yung double digit na. So it is very crucial in a way na medyo malayo pa naman, pero knowing that Lex, no, is very responsible, and I love the way she carried out herself. So just be like that always, no, and stay as humble as you are. And she's a very good leader of Work for Wisdom. So I salute you. Happy birthday and God bless. Thank you po ulit. And more power to you.
Ano ba yan, Maya girl? Okay. Wish you good health. Alam niyo ito si Lex kasi very good leader in class. Okay, so continue mo lang yan yung pagiging good leader in the class. So, active, very active. So, wala na akong masabi, good health, and you be a good girl to your mom and to your family. So, stay sweet as you are, okay? So, happy birthday, Kikay Lexi.
Nasabi na ata nila lahat. So, happy birthday, Lexi. You're very blessed. Kasi, imagine, andito lahat ng mga special person sa buhay mo. And you're very lucky kasi napaka-supportive ni Mommy. And mahal na mahal ka. Nakikita namin yan. And I wish you all the best. And I know you're always making your mommy proud. Kita-kita namin yan. And may you grow to be such a sweet. Sweet naman to eh. Kasi araw-araw nag-bless. Hindi nakakalimot. Kahit kanino yung dati yung mga teachers, hindi niya nakakalimutan. And God bless you all. Para marami ka rin ibang taong mag-bless. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lexi. Thank you for all sacrifices you do for us. Sorry kung sobrang ingay ng Wisdom. I love you.
Lexi, in behalf of your ninongs and ninangs, alam mo yan sa ating sa GS, kano ka namin ka-love ever since nung naging baby ka, mag-asama, how many trips ang pinuntahan natin together with you. Yan, so wish lang namin nila Ninong Tao, Ninong DJ, Ninang Elaine, Ninang Baita, sino pa ba? Yan, sino pa ba yung nabanggit? Basta sila. Wish lang namin sa'yo is of course to stay sweet as you are. Yan, lagi kang sweet, tapos susunod lagi sa sasabihin ni Mami. And then of course, stay as good individual. Alam mo naman yan. Kasi pagdating sa school, wala na kaming ma-wish sa'yo because you are a good performer. Gaya nga na sabi nila, Ma'am, yan, ng kapitbahay namin na taga-unit 2. Yan po. So, pero kung si Lexi po, talagang nasa kanya na po ang lahat. So, sabihin natin napakaswerte niyang bata. Yan. So, nasa iyo na lahat. Kaya, yun na lang, i-treasure mo na lang yun hanggang sa paglaki mo at alam naman namin na malayo yung mararating mo. Happy birthday!
Wish ko lang kay Lexi na maki siya na God-fearing. Tapos yung love mo yung mga daddy niya always. And yung gusto niyang paglaki, wish ko na matuloy mo yun, maging doctor ka. And all the blessings and graces of God be upon you always. 24/7. I love you, baby.
Yeah, no, totoo naman lahat yun. Yung mga sinabi niyo, nagpapasalamat ako. Na ganun mo kamahal si Lexi. Basta masasabi and wishes come true. Tsaka lagi kong pinapaalala, lagi siya, Chelsea, lalo na si mami mo, lagi kong pinapaalala sa'yo, di ba? Alam niya na yun kung ano yun eh. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Ano naman ako. Yung mga sinabi niyo sa apo ko, nakakataba ng puso. Kasi totoo lahat yun. Ako, mahal na mahal namin to.
Lexi is a very sweet daughter. She's very responsible. Inaalagaan niya yung lola niya. She's very smart. Actually, wala akong problem sa anak ko. Kaya madaling mag-work, madali lang sa bahay kasi she helped me a lot in household chores. So, ano ko lang kay Lex is to be a good girl. Lumaki siyang good girl, good health kasi siya yung nakakasama. Kasi siya ang kasama ko sa bahay at siya ang katulong ko sa bahay. Yun lang, Lex. I hope you will be a good girl and mas maging sweet ka pa, mas maging responsible ka pa, and lahat ng wishes mo, lahat ng prayers mo is matupad natin. Magkakasama tayo with our family. I love you, Lex. Thank you. Kiss mommy.
Ano pala? Wait lang.
Siyempre, mag-wish
Thank you everyone who attended on my 10th birthday party. Love you all.